Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. I am thrilled to have you here because we are diving into something really exciting and creative. Intricate edging cross stitch patterns. Whether you are brand new to this or have been stitching for a while, don't worry. Intricate stitching cross stitch and elegant edging cross stitch is easy to learn and a great way to add fun to your details. The intricate edging is are trending and currently trending right now. These designs are super cool and popular in the stitching community, and the best part, whether you are a beginner or a pro, you will find something here that's perfect for your next project. Before we dive into these patterns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumb up if you love intricate etching as much as I do. Subscribing helps the channel grow and you won't miss out any future tutorial tips and tricks, so don't forget to my channel. So let's get started. The first pattern we are looking for today is a true classic. It is a design that never goes out of style and is currently trending because it is so versatile. This pattern is perfect for beginners because it is straightforward but still elegant and detailed enough to make a straight way. The color in this pattern are the bright and cheerful, making it ideal for a spring or summer project. You can even frame it and hang it up in your home for a pop of joyful color. One of the things I love most about this design is that you can really make it your own by changing up the colors. If you want something more subtle, choose softer shades, or if you are feeling adventurous, opt for vibrant hues. It's all up to you. I also love how this pattern encourages creativity. You can easily add personal touch by tweaking the design or incorporating different stitches. The more you experiment, the more you will enjoy the at cross stitching. Be sure to share your finished project. I would love to see what you come up with. Next, we have a simple yet delightful pattern. This one is perfect if you are short on time but still want to create something beautiful. It is quite to finish, so you will get that sense of accomplishment without committing to a long-term project. This design is great for beginners too. It is a straightforward. The final result is charming and versatile. You can use this pattern to add a personal touch to any space, whether you stitch it for yourself or gift it to a friend. Be sure to be appreciated. The best part, it doesn't take much time or effort, so it is ideal for those moments when you want a relaxing and speedy project. If you are new to stitching, this pattern is wonderful starting point. You will learn a few basic stitches, but it is not too complicated. And even if you've been stitching for years, this design provides a fun break from more intricate project. If you love bold, bright colors, you are going to love this pattern. It's all about vibrant energy. The design features bold, cheerful colors that are sure to lift your spirits. Whether you want to brighten up a room or create a lively gift for someone special, this pattern is an excellent choice. What I really appreciate about this design is its eye-catching appeal. The bold colors make it stand out and the simple shapes make it easy to stitch. Even if you are a beginner, you will be complete this project with a sense of pride. If you prefer a more subdued look, you can always adjust the colors to suit your style. Opt for pastels or more muted tones if you wish. The flexibility of this design allow you to adopt it however you like, and that's one of the reasons it is so popular right now. The next pattern is tailored for beginners. It is designed to be simple enough for someone just starting out, but still look stunning when completed. The clean lines and straightforward stitches make it an excellent introduction to edging cross stitching. One of the best aspects of this pattern is that it is so approachable. If being feeling nervous about starting your first project, this design will help ease those concerns. It is easy to follow and the end result is a beautiful piece that you will be proud to display or give to someone special. And if you are more experienced, don't worry. Sometimes it is nice to work on something simple and relaxing. This pattern is perfect for that. For those who love nature, this pattern is perfect. It features beautiful leaves and flowers, making it a wonderful project for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. Whether you want to add a touch of nature to your home or decor or create something for a nature loving friend, this design is a great choice. The detail in this pattern fields provide a lovely and calming feel, and you can get creative with the colors. Go for elastic greens and brown for a natural appearance. Or mix it up with the bright colors and unexpected colors for a playful twist. Either way, this design is sure to impress. I can already picture how stunning this pattern would look framed and displayed in a living room or entryway. If you are looking for something beautiful and calming to stitch, this nature-inspired design is must try. Geometric patterns are trending right now, and the next pattern is all about clean lines and bold shape. It is contemporary, taking traditional cross stitching with a sleek and modern feel. If you love minimalist or modern decor, this pattern is perfect match. The bold geometric shapes make a statement in the design look stunning when you choose a monochromatic color scheme or something more vibrant. It is a great way to experiment with shapes and color. And the end result is truly unique. Geometric patterns are also quite satisfying to stitch because they are so structured. There is something calming about working on clean lines and repeating shapes. So, if you are looking for a stylish yet relaxing project, this is the one for you. This next pattern is absolutely adorable. It features a cute animals like cat or puppy, making it perfect for anyone who love animal or want to create a fun project for kids. These designs are always a hit whether you or stitch them for yourself as a gift or for a child. So the best part, they are beginner friendly, so even if you are new to cross stitching, you can complete this project with ease. If you enjoy patterns that are a bit unconventional, this one's for you. It's a whimsical, creative design filled with fun details that make it stand out. This pattern is perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with their stitching and wants to try something different. The playful nature of these designs make it a joy to work on, and it is ideal you are looking for a project that's light-hearted, whether you opt for bright and bold colors or softer tones. This pattern is sure to smile to your face. Sometimes less is more, and the next pattern exemplifies that it's a minimalist design with a sleek and sophisticated feel. If you love clean and simple line, you can adjust the colors to fit your style. And because the design is so subtle, it will blend seamlessly into any decor style. This pattern is perfect for celebrating different seasons throughout the year. Whether it is designed for spring, fall, or holiday, you can adjust the color to fit the season of your home decor. Season pattern are always enjoyable to work on. This one is no exception. The material that requires for your cross stitching is good fabric, needle, scissor, hook, or a frame. Always use Ida cloth or even weave linen. If you are a beginner, always use the Ida cloth. This cloth is perfect for your cross stitching, and always use tapestry needles. Use multicolor threads. And one tip that I will give you in this video, that when you start your cross stitching project, always use the simple design, then move to the complex one. In this video, I will give you many simple design as well as complex design. The designs that show on your screen is a versatile pattern. This pattern is perfect for everything. You can create in on your cushion, pillow cover, on your table covers, wall hanging, etc. These can be drawn on the edges of cloth. It look very beautiful, very creative, and very trendy. These design can never be old. This was a design of 90s and 80s centuries. For those who appreciate modern art, this abstract pattern is perfect for it. It is bold, creative, and full of unique shapes and color. Abstract designs are always great because they allow you to really get creative and experiment with different ideas. This pattern is ideal for anyone who loves art and wants to create something truly one of a kind. The bold shapes and striking color combination make it a real showstopper, and it's a great way to add a bit of modern flair to your adding cross stitching. The pattern allows for a lot of creativity with color and fabric. Choose muted antique shake for an old world feel, or go with modern bright tones to make it more contemporary. Either way, this design is sure to be hit. For those who look to this pattern, thanks for watching. If you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video with